Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vina Kerekebuna. If you're new here and if you're a returning subscriber clicking to watch my new video, thank you very much for stopping by once again to hang out with me. Yours truly, Vina. If you're new, my name is Vina. I am based in Yenagoa, Bayelsa State, Nigeria, and I vlog about faith, travel, and lifestyle. So yeah, for the most part, this video is a gratitude video. Just me saying thank you guys so much for the engagements I've been having on my channel. Like my numbers, I've been seeing visible growth on my channel, and I will feel guilty if I don't come on here to say thank you. Like I'm so grateful because I've been doing YouTube for so long and haven't been seeing that much progress. But the last few weeks, this past weeks, let's say for like 4 weeks now, I've been seeing visible growth on my YouTube channel, and it means a lot to me. It means so much to me, guys. So for everybody that has liked, everybody that's commented, everybody that has watched, that has shared, that's just done something to help boost my numbers, to help increase my engagement. Like I'm so grateful. I do not take it for granted. Like I said before, I don't want to ever get to the point where I feel like YouTube growth is nothing anymore and I don't feel thankful enough for you guys. I mean, you guys use your data to watch these things. I mean, I watch YouTube videos too, so I know how data consuming it can be. So for you guys to feel like I'm worth watching and you engage on my posts and on my videos, like it means a lot to me. It does mean a lot to me. So thank you very much. We are halfway through to monetization. Yep, because I've been struggling with watch hours for so long, and right now I'm more than 2,000 watch hours. Before I've been like between 1,700 1,800 for like a whole year was between that already. But now I'm way past, not way past, but I mean I'm past 2,000 now, so I can see light at the end of the tunnel. I know the glass is half full. Yeah, the glass is more than half full, as a matter of fact. So we are heading in the right direction. So I'm very grateful to everybody that has watched. So if you're watching this video also, this is me saying thank you to you. It means a lot because it will help increase my watch numbers. Please don't stop engaging, don't stop commenting, don't stop sharing my videos, don't stop liking. I mean, just do all that you do to make sure that we get monetized. When we get monetized, I'll be doing giveaway. I'm not a stingy person, so when this music money starts coming in, we'll be doing giveaway, we'll be paying, we'll be cashing out on this shit there, you know. So yeah, that's for the most part me just saying thank you. And also, I realized that from my Ghana travel vlogs, I've had to answer a lot of questions about traveling to Ghana. Like guys, in the comment section, outside the comment section, on Instagram, people that have my phone numbers, people have been calling me and asking me, Pina, hey, when you went to Ghana, this is and this. My auntie in church even said that, no, when I'm traveling to Ghana, you be my like, you don't talk God per se, but you be the one to put me through all the processes. People have called me on phone. People have been sending me DMs concerning the whole trip. Like even in this YouTube comment, I have to answer a lot of comments about how much was flight tickets, how many hours does it take to get to Ghana by road, like all of those immigration questions. I've had to answer them a lot with that whole trip. So this is me realizing that of a truth I can do this travel influencing thing. Because as a matter of fact, when I was in Ghana, my friend Divine, shout out to Divine DM'd me on Instagram and said she's coming to Ghana. She's like, in Ghana, don't worry, I'm coming to meet you up in Ghana. How is this and this? How do I get this? How do I do that? So I talked her through the process. I told her the woes and the foes, the pros and cons. Yeah, I told her the pros and cons, and then Divine Legit came to Ghana. When I was in Ghana, she got there, but she was in Accra, so we didn't get to see because I was in Kumasi. She came to Accra, and I left. We left without seeing. But the point I'm making is Divine came to Ghana because I was in Ghana and because I probably posted some lovely pictures or videos. I'm not going to say pictures. I'm not a picture person. I don't know how to work my angles. But I'm saying that someone thought of coming to Ghana because they saw me in Ghana and the way I portrayed Ghana. So it's a good thing. It's a good thing. So I can totally do this travel influencing thing. So if you're an agency out there, if you have a tourist center, if you have a resort or a hotel or like whatever you want promoted as per people traveling in, as per tourism, holla at me. I'm your girl. I promise you, I can do this. I can do this whole travel influencing thing. Just dawned on me that because I've been traveling all my life. Like people that know me know. If you know me, most people that know me call me Angela. You can hardly track me. It's even because right now I'm having a stable 9 to 5 that in town for long. And then like 2020, we couldn't travel a lot because of the pandemic. But prior to 2020, I'm in and out. You cannot track me. I'm not a person that you'll be tracking, because before you think that I'm here, I'm there. I'm always traveling. So I've been traveling for so long, and that's why I decided to do my channel about traveling, because I'm doing the things that I vlog about, the things I'm passionate about. I'm passionate about traveling. I'm passionate about my faith in God and just my lifestyle. Basically, I feel like I'm a free bird, and if I'm going through my journey in life, I should share it. So this whole travel and thing, especially with the whole Ghana trip, has been an eye-opener, and I could totally do this travel influencing thing. So if you're an agency or you have whatever you about traveling that you want promoted, holla at your girl. I'm your girl for the job. It's me you have been looking for all your life. Let me just tell you now. Okay, it's me marketing myself. So I would like to, I'll be waiting for all those emails and whatnot. Let me see the ones we can work with. Okay. So yeah, that's why I'm ending this video for today. And yeah, until I see my next video, please remain in God bless you. Bye.